What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, it's been a while since we've worked on this engine here, but we have finally gotten its brand new clutch, and we finally got all of its seals for the main shaft and the other little shaft over there. We finally gotten out those, so now we can finally start putting this thing fully back together. Then we can eventually put the top back on after we make sure all of the clearances are okay. So what we got here, we got a DP clutch. I heard there's a good company, and this is like an off-road racing clutch. So I believe these are steel plates, so they're more durable. This is I don't know what kind of compound they use on these, but who knows? I have no clue what they use. But we got new springs, new clutch plates, and the brand new steel plates down there. And like I said before, what we got here is just the little seal for the shift changer thing, and then this is for the main output shaft here. The seal for that. Alright guys, so what we're going to start doing, we're going to start putting the clutch plates on. Now these are not pre-soaked clutch plates. Some clutch plates require you to soak them before you put them on. But what I might just do, I might just throw some oil on these, just so there's some type of base coat on them. I would soak them up, but I don't have enough oil to sit here and waste it on just soaking it when they say you don't have to. So I'll just put a little bit just so it helps prevent a little less wear and tear. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put, assemble this one by one. Now every clutch is different, so some clutches, they actually matter the way they go in. This does not really matter too much. This is just clutch, and then you just put one of these metal discs on. Now what I'm doing here, I am coating everything in oil, just so, like I said, there is less wear and tear. And then you guys want to know how it actually works? I know I explained this in another video, but this gear connects to the crankshaft on the engine, and it spins this outer ring like this, and it spins around this thing here, which has the metal plates that were alternated with the friction plates. And then when the clutch gets released, there's this pressure plate that pushes down on all these guys here, and it makes these two pieces here, the outer and the inner, all one piece, and it spins it all together. So just like a regular clutch in a car, like the flywheel and the clutch itself, except this is multiple pieces. The pressure plate here, guys, this is what I was talking about. This will push down onto these friction plates and regular steel plates, and then push them all together to make this all one unit, and not let the center move from the outer rim. Alright guys, so I got the pressure plate here. This is what pushes all the plates down to make everything one unit from the outer to the inner. There's a little dot here. It's like a little punch mark. You'll line that little punch mark up with this little arrow on the pressure plate here. But first what we're going to do is we're going to take these out the way they are, and we're going to replace the springs. So the springs here, I can push with literally just these two fingers here like this. Really, really easy. Not easy, but it's easy. We got these springs here that are really stiff. So as we're replacing these, and that's all for that there. Now, like I said, you take that little arrow, and there's this little dot here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but there's a little dot there, and you just line up with that. And before I did that, actually, I just put some oil around everything just to make sure. Now, like I said, arrow with that, put that there, and that falls in place like that. Alright guys, now I was putting this back on, but I'm just gonna don't forget to do this before you put all that you got to put this back on. Oh my god, we're dripping everywhere. Yeah, put this back on like this. Alright, this is the future. Don't forget to put this on first. You gotta make sure this place is on the engine already, because you're gonna have this washer here, that's right here, and you're gonna put the C clamp, or I think ring, I forget what they call these things, but this goes right back to here. I got a special tool here that pushes this back on, and she is locked in, and now this will not fall out. Also, guys, don't forget to put this back in here too. This disengages and engages your clutch. And now what we do, we just align the arrow with the little dot right there, just like this. Put it on. So now she's there. And now we just put our bolts in. All right, guys, and also these are all about 7 foot-pounds, but just kind of go by hand. And make sure they're all even. For 7 foot-pounds, kind of like when it hits dead bottom, just give it like a little like, little twist on it. Don't make it too tight, just make it enough where it seems like, it's there. All right, guys, so they're all bottomed out. Now I just got to put this between the gear. Now you should use brass, but aluminum's fine. Just don't use any type of steel to put between the gears when you're trying to tighten these. Because the whole point of this is so that the steel won't bend, the aluminum will give before the steel does, which is the theory of it. So, like this, take just like this, and that grabbed, and now I'm just gonna do a little turn. All right, that's tight. So I did like half of a quarter turn. So 1/8 of a turn. All right, they should all be tight now, and she should be good now. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Next video, what we're gonna be doing is gonna be putting the case back onto here, and we're also gonna be adjusting these valves here so that these are in spec. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that was a little informative and will help out, guys, if you guys are doing this and you guys need a little bit of insight on how to do it. And it's really simple. Like I said, every clutch is different, so some of them might need so like a certain way to go in, or a certain way that they go in like this, or just a certain way they go in like turning wise. Every quad's different. Every clutch system's different on every quad. So make sure you look at instructions. Make sure you look it up for your quad, or if it's on Mojave, it looks like it's pretty simple. You just put the plates in, out. It doesn't really matter which way they go. There's instructions, or even in the manual, it doesn't say anything about orientation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like down below, comment down below, and guys subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next one.